Okay, guys, welcome to Smarter R. So today I will show you the penultimate hack of how to use R and ChatGPT so that you can do your research very, very well and very, very fast, just like that. So let me share the screen first. So I have shared the screen. So as you can see here, this is the data that I have. Okay, this is the data that I have. This qualitative data or quantitative data, something like that. I have some kind of table like this, right? So first you need to have your data. Any data will do, so it's okay. Next, what you need is make sure that you have ChatGPT. So you have ChatGPT. You know ChatGPT, you now just log in, and then you can use ChatGPT. And then the next thing that you need to have is R programming. So you have R programming. All you need to learn is just the basic. Open the script. That's all. How to open the script or file, new script. Okay, and then Windows vertically. So I will write my script here. So who are not familiar with R, get familiar with it. So I will write here. This will be plotting using R. So plotting using R, whatever. So I will tell you the first simple way of how to use R without learning anything, without learning R. So for example, you have your data here, right? So you have your data here. So I just copy all of this data. So I will copy all of this data, copy all of the data, and then usually I like to do is I put it in Excel, because when I put it in Excel, it easily understand the arrangement of the data. You see, so if I put in data, when you paste as match destination formatting, so it will match. So you have many column here, like this, right? So you have many column. So put any of your data, if possible, put in Excel first, so that it have this column, this row, and everything. And then you just copy everything. Just copy everything. Copy your data, all of the data, copy, and then put in your notepad. Put into your notepad here. Okay, put into your notepad. So this is all your data, and then I put what is the topic of this. This is table 3, key elements of sustainable campus initiative. You see, when you put the table, you don't need to put why you need to put capital letter here. Just write normally. Write normally like that. Normal, write normally. No need to put capital. Okay, this title is like this. Put on your data here just now. Maybe I just put table 1 just now, right? I forget. It's okay. So I have this data. Now, what I want to tell is I have this data now. I will use it to make a prompt into ChatGPT. Just as very simple prompt. This is a very general very general one. I will tell it, plot this data using R. That's all. So because I don't want to be very specific first, because I want ChatGPT to give a suggestion on how to plot this data. So let's ChatGPT work for you. And then after I make this prompt, you see I make my instruction up here, and then the data down here just now. So instruction up here, and then the data down here. Your instruction can be very specific, can be very general. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. It's what you want. So I put like this, plot this data using R. Tell it using R. Don't just set plot this data. It will not understand what tools you use. Maybe you use Python, maybe you use Excel. It don't know. So you must tell ChatGPT that you are using R. So use R. Plot this data using R. So it understand you are using R programming. Copy this one, put into ChatGPT. That's all. Enter. And it will generate the code for you. So this is the first step, because the data just now is very small. Very small. You can put all of it into ChatGPT. So you see, yeah, you can visualize this kind of binary present absence data effectively using heat map or tile plot in R. So I'm not very specific, so I let ChatGPT give me the answer. So it suggests to me to use heat map or tile plot. So you see, it's generating the plot now. Everything. This is your data. This is all of your data just now. That long ggplot. This will give a tile plot. Or actually, this one is tile plot. So I'm just copy this code and then put into ChatGPT. So this will be tile into R tile plot. I never heard of tile plot before. So I'm learning something now. There is a tile plot. So you see, the code is there. Just copy. Copy from ChatGPT here just now. Just copy. And then put it here. Paste. Done. Now edit. Run all. Done. That is your plot. You see, this is called tile plot. Just now it suggests to do heat map. So now do heat map. Now it create heat map by using p heat map. P heat map package. I like this p heat map package. This is quite new. So it's generating everything. So let's do the plotting for you. So you see this is the tile plot just now. You can use this also for you to present your data in your paper. There is community engagement, curriculum development, governance leadership, or something like that. You can do proper naming whatever here later on. But at first you have that very very basic plot. Now it's finished generating heat map. Now I'm copy this one, and at the end here I will put heat map. So I have heat map now. Okay, copy and then paste. That's all. Highlight everything. Highlight only heat map here. Highlight only heat map. And then run here. Run line or selection. Now you have heat map. Very nice. You have heat map now. So heat map of this one is talking about this one. I don't know whatever you want to interpret this data. It's up to you. You see the element that is similar, here that is clustered together and something like that. It gives you this kind of data. But just now we want to be more specific. Maybe we want to do network diagram. I tell ChatGPT now do network diagram. Enter. Okay, now it's no. Okay. Now it's generating everything using tidyverse, iGraph, and ggraph package. So this is network diagram. So I copy this one, give another plot here, network diagram. Yes. Now we have network diagram. I'm not even coding. No coding required now. Okay. Now it's finished. Copy this code, put into your R, and then highlight this one. The new plot only highlight this one, and then read run line or selection. Done. So this is network diagram for this one. I don't know if it can see anything here, but if this is what you want, then this is the answer that you get, network diagram. But I think it's because this is the outer that you want. It's better for the table just now. I think for this table just now, it's better to have another column which is number. On the left here, you can put insert left. Is this one number one? It's very difficult to work with Microsoft Word. You see, it's very difficult. You can put here insert number one equal to. Okay, now it's like this. Now it's like this. So now you copy everything again. and then put in notepad. Put this into the notepad. Okay. Then you tell it again plot this data using R. Plot network diagram. Copy and then paste. I think now it's use a number because if you plot using the name just now, it's very difficult to see anything. You see, I run this network diagram just now. You see, you use name. So how to plot name? It doesn't make sense, right? So you can tell uh, it. You can devise another way. So finish. All the code is there. Copy. That's all. Run again. Okay, you see it put number now. I don't know it's okay or not, but if it's not okay, we can tell it exactly what we want after this. You see, it still tell the outer. Now it's give. It still tell the outer. Now I tell it. Uh, I don't want outer. Eh, uh, Replace outer with the corresponding number. That's all. Replace outer. Otherwise, it will number. It's very difficult to see anything, right? So, we waiting. But we can do this kind of just copy the data because the data is very small. It's sufficient to put into ChatGPT. We can do this one very easily. Okay, copy. And then we don't want this one just now because we need to be more specific. Now it's give us a very good one after this, I think. Now it gives us the number. Now looks very well. The data looks very well. Network diagram. Who are using research, doing research, and so forth? They give number here. Since the number is very small, now we can tell ChatGPT and then put the label for number bigger. That's all. You just instruct ChatGPT to to do the code for you, and then it will put the label for number here to be bigger. Otherwise, it's very small, right? Now it's analyzing. I don't know my internet connection or what, or it's stuck. So, but it's okay. It will prepare everything for you. So do this way, and then your research can finish. You see, uh, you see it's put a diagram something like this. So we don't want to put something like this. Because I didn't tell ChatGPT to use R just now, right? I tell it I mean using R, and then so using R, using the iGraph and ggraph. You see, this looks very nice. So we want something like this, right? Network diagram like this. This is also network diagram, but they present in it in different way. It's up to you what you want. So it looks like this. I think it will look very nice now. Now we want another network diagram again. I don't know. Let's do this. Network diagram. And then highlight what we want and then run. Now it looks very nice. Looks very nice. Network diagram. This network diagram put into your research paper. But there is error here, right? So there is error here. If there is some error, you just copy. You just copy this error. You just copy this error and then put it into ChatGPT. That's all. Because they were missing value or something like that, and then it's repair the code for you. You don't need to do anything. See, now we just copy this part and replace only this part. Now ChatGPT become lazy, so we just replace the part that ChatGPT tell us to do. That's all. Okay. I hope it's work now. Now no error. Now it looks very good. Looks very good. But still, I'm one. It looks very. I want it to be better. I put the word strategic governance community research to different colors. So I will tell ChatGPT I want dot for what is that just now for strategic governance, community, etc. Using what color? Using green color. I want that dot to use green color. Oh, I want my plot to become more fancy now. Now I'm become very picky. Copy again. Only replace that part that ChatGPT tell you to replace. And then that's all. And then run it again. Oh, run this again. Oh, where is my plot? Actually, it's behind me, behind this one because oh, it's not changing. It's not changing. Why is not changing color? What is it doing just now? This one is need. I need to change everything actually. This one also I need to change the F long. I need to change with this one and graph here. Graph. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's run everything. So no, I don't want it to run anything. So if it's very difficult to copy one by one, you tell ChatGPT prepare full code. That's all, and it will prepare the full code, and you just copy once. So it's writing the full code right now. Yeah, it takes long time because we use the full data. But later on, I will show you how to make it even faster. So we copy this one and then replace all the code just now. And then I think I will like this code. I will definitely like this code. Done. Wow, now you see it have different color for governance and the network is different color with dot and this is square and then easily people can understand. Done. All this network diagram complete. Publish Q1 paper. Now I will tell you how to do this, but using input data. So this is second way of doing this. You have your data just now, right? You put it into Excel, and this Excel you save it as CSV file. Save as, okay, this one, save as CSV, delimited, and then this will be key element. So open, close. So we have this key element data now, right? This is the data that we have just now, key element. So this is the second way of doing this. First, you copy this, copy your folder address, and then copy this data .csv. So this is the name of your data. This is your folder address. This is your data, and then you tell ChatGPT. No need to copy everything. Just copy a little bit of data up here so that ChatGPT R will understand how you arrange the data. Just copy a little bit here. Copy like this. You tell here in Notepad that looks like this. That means data lah. Data like this. Paste. That's all. And then you tell the same thing just now. Prepare network diagram using R. Prepare using R. Okay, that's all. I don't want to write the complex one. Copy and then put into R. I will use new chat. I will show you, and then it will produce all the code for you. It read your folder address, read your Excel file, and then it will plot the data for you. Okay, now it's plot. So another network diagram. Paste, and then you run this network diagram line. I'm not even coding. It's error. Mm, 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 mm. You see, if there is some error, you can put copy the error here, copy and then put in here in ChatGPT, and it will solve the error for you. Uh, okay, now I will copy this one, file path, and okay, date, head, okay, 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 okay. One by one, one by one. Okay. Ah, ah. But it doesn't show anything very well just now. But let's see. It says some head like this. Uh, it say maybe there is some warning here that gives some problem. Reading a different separator or something like that. And alternatively, I think this one is because some problem with R itself. Maybe you need to close R and then open it again. I think so. Sometimes it's like that. It's confused with your something like that. Okay, but we just try to solve that issue again. Okay, now I think it's okay now. Oh, it's still not there. That looks like this. Now I will try to be more specific because I think ChatGPT cannot understand what I say. The number, the column 1 is from 1 to 34. 1 to 34. 34. Okay, now copy. Okay, copy paste again. I think it will now is clarify. Data table is actually like that. Oh, now I understand because just now I didn't tell it. I think I'll assume that this is the only data, but now I want just to make it more specific. Now I will tell it column 1 is from 1 to 34. 1 to 34, not only 10 only. So copy this one. No need to read what the code they are writing, whatever, and then run again. Oh, it's still what happened. Print head. So maybe I will print view. I will view the data. View. It's all there. It's all there. This is the problem. You see, it's this kind of number. But it's okay because this data just now, I think because of this symbol, this symbol. Usually people use like for true, this is false. You can replace this data actually. This one. For example, I will copy this one. Copy this. Copy this. You need to make your data proper first. Proper. And then not here until here. And then Control H. What do you want to replace? This one. Replace with true. Replace all. Okay, good. Okay. So anything empty here, empty will be false. 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 Replace all. Okay, close. Now save this data. Now I will tell ChatGPT data looks like this so that I will understand how your data looks like because I didn't think it understand that symbol just now. So we copy. Maybe we can open a new chat. Open, paste. We want network diagram. Hopefully this one will works. Copy. But this is just showing you the different way of doing stuff if you have input data in the form of Excel. in the form of a CSV file in Excel. Oh, is some error here? No, no, so I will tell it with graph outlet here, copy here. If there is any error, you just copy the error and I'll so usually I will just prepare full code. Prepare full code and then done. Done. Copy everything. Paste. Oh, there's still some error here. I don't know what's causing the error. The error here, it's still causing some error. It's still causing some error. Actually, if I'm not lazy, I will read a little bit what, because they give a possible fix, several way of fixing it. Actually, I'm not checking anything. Full minimal snippet. Now I'm not checking anything. But whatever. Let's see. I hope this one will work. But if not works, we will move on. Because I'm going very fast. Not checking anything. Okay. Now, hopefully this will work. It still not works. Unmatched element or something like that. I think it's because of maybe because of the arrangement of the data, something like that. But it's okay. You see, some of the data they have post something like this, so it's become confusing. The data is not, if you want it to be more well organized, make sure that consistent. The data must be consistent, something like that. Maybe we can ask ChatGPT to do it more consistent. You can ask it. We can just remove this outer. You can check it later. Something like this. Again. Okay. Okay. So we don't need the name. I think it's confused because of the name just now. The name is not consistent in the data. Okay, now let's see. Put your finger crossed. Still problem. It still gives something like this. I think you can tell it use different way. Since I graph not working, then we can use different way. Because I can make a code that write manually or using package or anything. You see, my mouse is not good. You see, it's keep double clicking. Okay, run. Now it's working. You see, now it's working. You see, there is many way of fixing this code. If there is error, you can put in ChatGPT and then it will tell you. But if the error persist, if the error is persist, you can put the tell it to do it different way. But it's still not. This is also a network diagram. This is bipartite network. But I want something like before, right? Prepare different way of network diagram that looks like, I don't know, spider web. like spider web. Radial, I don't know what they call that original plot just now, but you can check in your study what they call that plot. So this way also you can do this way, and then you can also do this way. Now it looks different way of using of showing the data or something like that, but I don't know what is the name of this Sankey diagram. I don't know what they call this plot just now. This plot. If I know the name of this plot, Uh, after that, we can prepare something like this. But this is also working just now, just using manually put the data inside the R like before. But another way is just now I want to show you that you can just read your folder address and read your data in CSV file. So you don't need to put all your you see is all your data, all your raw data inside the code. Otherwise your code will become very very long like this. Okay, that's all. Now I want to play around. Plot different graph uh, for this data. Give suggestion. Now I want to play around. Now we do research just to play around. Heat map. Heat map is upset plot. I never heard of this upset plot. Let's do upset plot. So you just continue down here. Upset plot. You see, you run this code just now, right? Network diagram. Now we run upset plot. I have already that package. This is upset plot. Oh, this is looks very nice. Upset plot. I never heard of this kind of plot, upset plot. And then now we have bar plot of element frequency. Bar plot of element frequency. You can just put it down here. Bar plot of element frequency. Oh, it's not so good. Not so good. Parallel set plot. Now we use parallel set plot. I don't like this plot. I just remove this. Parallel set plot. Oh, now this is looks like alluvial plot. Actually, this look like alluvial plot. Looks nice. Nice. Bipartite incident matrix plot. Okay, like let's see this one. How does it looks like? Bipartite. Oh no. Oh, you see some error is because I'm still not install the package. So I install the package here. Install dot packages. Apostrophe. Enter. Okay. Now it installed the package that I still not installed. Then you can install the package. So it's installing the package now. Actually, I have some now. Okay, after install the package, run the code again, and then error. There is error for this one, and then you can just put it here. What causing the error, and then it will correct that code. I don't know how this looks like because I never use bipartite package. Run all. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. Bipartite. The same thing look like the one just now. My mouse is not very good. This is actually the same thing with the one just now, but it's a different way. Incident matrix or something like that. So whatever. But I like this parallel plot. Not parallel plot. This upset plot just now. It looks very nice. This upset plot. Oh, it looks very nice. You can do this. You can use this. It's very good. Okay, I think that's all for tonight. This is the penultimate hack of learning R without learning R anything. Nobody learn R anymore. Use ChatGPT. That's all. Thank you for watching.